Uy, Laagan! It's me again, Teacher Rosso, and welcome to another Laag Learning Adventure! Yehey! Today, we are here sa usa sa mga paboritong laaganan diri sa Sibunga, ang Tulay sa Sibunga. Now, fun fact, Tulay is not actually a bridge, it's a pantalan or port area. But locals fondly call it Tulay, and honestly, I think it's because it connects people to good vibes, not just places. Anyway, basin bridge jud ni padung sa Bohol wa matiwas no. Aw ingon nila, diri you will see locals jogging early in the morning, some just walking and enjoying the peaceful view. So if you are a sunrise lover like me, then this place will take your breath away. So it's the perfect way to start your day. Sa hapon, daghan kaayo mag-fishing, mga ligo, or even mag-dive-dive. Ang water, presko, laom, super relaxing. And when the sun sets, wow, bugnaw kayong hangin. Ang sky, no, nindot kaayo og kolor. Nga makawala gid siya sa stress. So if ever you find yourself in the south, drop by Tulay sa Sibunga. Whether you want to jog, reflect, or just chill, this place is a reminder that peace doesn't have to be far. This has been Teacher Rosso reminding you to learn, explore, and enjoy because every laag has a lesson in life.